Ever wondered what a product manager actually does? You'll be surprised. Product managers are behind every app, website, and product you really love. But most people don't know what we actually do. Hi, I'm Mirabel and I'm a product manager, and I'll be explaining product management in simple terms in this video. What we do, why it matters, and how you can go about learning it. If you're interested in learning product management, you get some few tips in this video, so stick around. Product management is the art and science of creating products that solve real problems for users while still meeting business goals. Think of product managers as the bridge between users, designers, engineers, and business stakeholders. We decide what to build, why, and when. What does a product manager really do? Firstly, understanding the users. We talk to the users, we run surveys, we analyze feedback, and figure out what problem users actually have. The next thing we do is prioritizing features. We decide on what features are most important to build first. Then the third is road mapping. We create a plan and decide what features to build first and when. This keeps the team aligned. The first one, working with teams. Product managers collaborate with designers, engineers, marketers, and sometimes even executives to build a product that actually succeeds. Fifth one, measuring success. After the launch of a product, we measure the metric and analyze feedback to improve the product. Here's why product managers are very important. Imagine Instagram did not prioritize stories. It might have lost millions of customers. So product managers help you build products that users actually want. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I post tips, tutorials, and insights that help aspiring product managers. See you in the next one.